So this bike is coming apart super smooth, very, very easy to work with. I'm surprised. The back is looking fantastic so far. We're gonna move up to the front in just a second here. But before I do, speaking about how easy this is going, one thing that really helps is a motorcycle lift. Without one of these, I'd be hurting in the back right now, and with it, I just feel so much better. Our friends over at Tuxedo hooked us up with an ideal M-2200, and this thing is great. Even finished in a nice blue powder coat as well, which matches the Eastwood set here. You get a nice workspace. It's electric and hydraulic, so there's no air lines to run to this thing. It raises all the way up to 47 inches, and it goes pretty flat as well when you have it dropped all the way down. In the back there, you get a drop-away panel, which if you're doing chain maintenance, that makes that super easy. And up at the front, we have an optional moto vise here. That makes the front wheel really secure. This thing is on wheels too, so you can easily roll the whole thing around the shop. And that ramp at the back there, as you raise this up, it sort of retracts into the lift itself, which is really nice when you're walking around this thing. You're not gonna trip on the ramp. Definitely love that. Very nice touch. But speaking about how easy this thing is to work with, this bike has some more work to do up at the front, so I'm gonna dive right back into it. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, you make sure you check out our channel as well. We have tons of great how-to videos over there you're definitely gonna wanna see. We'll have the MiG 90 link below in the description. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.